It is said that the eyes are the window to the soul, and as such I feel that this makes them an incredibly important part of any picture, as it is the key place to be able to capture character and personality of the individual. The first thing I want to do is to study the reference photograph thoroughly. The reason for this is that I'm just looking for any subtle differences in tone that there may be within the eye. Once I've done this, I can then take the blending stump and start to apply some tone. Once I'm happy with the base tone, I can then start to lightly apply layers of 2B pencil over the top. In between each layer, I'll use the blending stump to help brush the tone down into the grain of the paper, as this will help to maintain a glassy appearance. With each layer that's added, the tone slowly darkens. But you can say, why not just go in heavier with the pencil to start with? Well, a couple of reasons. Firstly, it stops the area that's being done from looking overworked. Plus also as well, any corrections that need to be made can be done relatively simply by using a kneadable eraser. So now I'm happy with how that's looking, I can start to strengthen the tones further by using a 4B pencil. Again using the same thing, building up in layers, and I'm also going to as well strengthen the tones surrounding the eye, as this will help to add more depth. So I'm very happy with how the eyes are developing, and the thing that I want to do now is to just apply a little bit of 9B pencil to the very darkest areas. Now this doesn't make a massive difference because of the depth of tone that's been built up with the other pencils, but it does just give it that last little bit of contrast. It's inevitable that during the process of working on the picture that some of the highlights may become smudged. So I'm just going to roll a point on the end of the kneadable eraser and then I can just re-establish them. As I said at the start, the eyes are such an important part of any picture, so it is well worth taking the time to get them right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.